Hi, and welcome to another virtual tutorial sponsored by Mesquite Arts Council. My name is Lilia Estrada. I will be your host and instructor for Hispanic Heritage Month, September 15th through October 15th. Today, we will be creating a Day of the Dead felt keychain. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, so now we will begin to create our little felt keychain. The first thing you want to do is you'll want to draw out a little skull figure that will help you when it comes to cutting the felt. So I've drawn it with a marker. Now I'll cut out so I will have a pattern. Take your marker and just draw around the pattern. And it's easier if you cut one at a time because sometimes the felt might be too thick to cut and it'll give you a harder time. Next, you will do your sewing. You'll put it together. You will thread your needle. Make sure to knot it at the end so that it doesn't come out of your felt. You will begin your sewing. Now, you'll want to leave this open for the time being because you'll be putting some stuffing in here, and if it's closed you won't be able to do that. So for the time being, make sure you leave this bottom part open. Just put your needle aside. You'll want to cut your decorations for your skull. So I start with any color because all the colors are beautiful on here anyway. You just position them wherever you feel like you want them to go. This will be flowers for the eyes. If you notice the eyes, this little heart, I'm going to cut out a nose, but it will also look just like a heart. So the nose is in shape of a little heart, but it will be upside down. Now we are cutting the mouth in a longer oval shape. Then I'll cut a small strip which will go across the mouth. Now all this will be hot glued, but in the meantime I've placed it more or less where I would like it to go. We'll cut 2 small circles for the skeleton's cheeks. Now I'm ready to hot glue. So you will take your hot glue, place some on your cutouts, press, now I like to add some jewels to make it sparkly. Our little ribbon for the keychain. You'll want to measure to see how long you'd like your keychain. Before we put the hot glue, we need to put the ring on. Now we can hot glue. Okay, so we'll continue. We've added the hot glue. Now you can put it onto your felt. So turn it around, add your hot glue, press it down, and now you're ready to add your stuffing. So you'll just take a bit from the opening, just push this in, and now you can continue your sewing. And if you didn't want to do this sewing, you could always add hot glue to close it off. When you come to the end, make sure to knot this off because you don't want it to come apart. So you will knot it off. Put your finger, make sure there's a nice tight knot so it will not come off. And then cut that there. You're all done with your adorable Day of the Dead keychain. Once again, thank you for your support. And for more instructional videos, please log on to our YouTube channel. Hope to see you there. Bye-bye.